On July 16, 1945, at 5:30 in the morning, a nuclear weapon was successfully tested in the deserts of New Mexico, USA. Upon witnessing the terrifying power of the explosion, its lead creator, Jota Robert Oppenheimer, recalled a line from Hindu scripture, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds." His haunting words would prove tragically prophetic. Just 20 days later, on August 6, 1945, at 8:15 a.m., the United States dropped an atomic bomb nicknamed Little Boy on Hiroshima, Japan. The blast instantly killed approximately 70,000 people and claimed an equal number of lives in the following 2 months from injuries and radiation sickness. In a grim irony of human progress, while such weapons of ultimate destruction were being unleashed, humanity was also beginning its quest to find life on the Moon and Mars. Oppenheimer's team developed 2 bombs, Little Boy and Fat Man. Little Boy used uranium-235 as its explosive core. The process hinges on nuclear fission. A stable uranium atom is made unstable by adding a neutron. It then splits into 2 smaller atoms, releasing a tremendous amount of energy and 3 high-energy neutrons. These neutrons, traveling at nearly 30% the speed of light, collide with and split more uranium atoms, creating an exponentially growing chain reaction that releases catastrophic energy in an instant. Little Boy employed a gun-type design to trigger this reaction. The bomb was 10 feet long, 28 inches in diameter, and weighed 4,400 kilograms. It was dropped from a B-29 bomber at 38,000 feet. After release, fins stabilized its fall, and sensors, including a barometer and radar, activated. At 1,900 feet above Hiroshima, a firing switch triggered an igniter, which sparked a charge of cordite. The explosion created a fireball with a surface temperature of 60 degrees Celsius, as hot as the sun's surface and a diameter of 1,200 feet. It instantly vaporized everything and everyone within a half-mile radius. A massive shockwave, traveling faster than sound, leveled buildings and triggered earthquakes. As the superheated air rose, cooler air rushed in, fueling a firestorm that expanded over 2 miles. People died immediately from the blast, the heat, or later from acute radiation poisoning. In total, the bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki killed about 200,000 people. The effects of radiation persisted for decades, causing cancers and birth defects, and the scars of that day remain visible in photographs and in the lives of survivors. Oppenheimer, deeply remorseful, spent years afterward advocating against nuclear proliferation, but with limited success. Today, the shadow of his creation still looms large. A single kilogram of enriched uranium costs around $7 million. Yet an estimated 12,500 nuclear warheads exist on Earth, held by more than 10 countries. For over 80 years, no nuclear weapon has been used in war, yet humanity continues to navigate an uneasy peace, holding what many describe as a can of petrol in one hand and a lit match in the other. So, was Oppenheimer a hero for helping end a world war? Or a villain for unleashing the means of global destruction? The question remains open, a permanent part of his complex legacy. If this story resonated with you, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Your thoughts encourage the creation of more content like this. Thank you for listening. Until next time!